In a quaint village nestled between rolling hills, there lived a wise elder named Isabella. The villagers often sought her counsel when their minds were disturbed by the challenges of life. Isabella was renowned for her practical wisdom and the remarkable calmness that radiated from her. One bright morning, a young villager named Liam approached Isabella with a troubled heart. His mind was a turbulent sea, and he longed for the serenity that seemed to envelop the elder. "Isabella," Liam began, "my mind is in constant chaos. I cannot find peace amidst the turmoil of my thoughts and worries. Please, can you teach me how to calm my mind?" Isabella nodded kindly and gestured for Liam to sit beside her in her tranquil garden. The garden was a sanctuary of serenity, with colorful flowers swaying in the gentle breeze and a bubbling stream that whispered soothing melodies. "Let us begin, Liam," Isabella said, her voice as soft as the garden's breeze. "Calm begins with simplicity. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Feel the air fill your lungs, and then release it slowly. Focus only on your breath. Let it be your anchor." Liam followed her instructions, feeling the cool air fill his lungs and the warmth of his breath leaving his body. The world seemed to fade away as he concentrated on this simple act. "Now, Liam," Isabella continued, "imagine your thoughts as clouds passing in the sky. Observe them without judgment, just as you watch clouds drift by. Allow them to come and go." Liam did as she said, visualizing his thoughts as fluffy clouds, some dark with worry, others bright with hope. He watched them drift across his mind's sky, one by one. Isabella then encouraged him to become aware of his body. "Notice the sensations in your body, Liam. Are there areas of tension or discomfort? Breathe into those areas, releasing the tension with each exhale." As Liam focused on his body, he felt the knots of stress slowly loosen, and a sense of ease washed over him. Isabella smiled, her eyes twinkling with wisdom. "You see, Liam, calming the mind is about being present in the moment, acknowledging your thoughts without getting caught in their whirlwind, and finding peace within yourself." Liam felt a newfound sense of tranquility, and as he opened his eyes, he thanked Isabella for her guidance. "Isabella, you've shown me the path to calm my disturbed mind, but could you summarize the practical ways to do so?" Isabella nodded and shared the practical steps. 1. Breathe mindfully. Take deep, intentional breaths to anchor yourself in the present moment. 2. Observe your thoughts. Visualize your thoughts as passing clouds, acknowledging them without judgment, and then letting them go. 3. Body awareness. Pay attention to physical sensations and release tension through deep breaths. As Liam left Isabella's garden, he carried these simple yet powerful practices with him. He realized that, in the midst of life's storms, he could find serenity by following the wisdom of the wise elder. And so, in that tranquil village, the knowledge of how to calm a disturbed mind spread like ripples in a pond, touching the lives of many who sought inner peace through mindful breathing, thought observation, and body awareness.